Welcome back to Barry's Drawing Club. In today's video, we will draw Mao Mao Heroes of Pure Heart step by step. Let's get started. First, we will draw two eyes here. Draw two lines here. Then we continue with his eyes. It's roughly like this. And we put two lines, just small one, in the eyes. Now we continue to his mouth. We will draw this line here because his mouth is opening. And now his two teeth, here and here, and his tongue. The tongue, we just draw a line from here to here. Moving on, we will draw his cheeks from here, and then his ears will approximately go this big. We will start from his cheek first, approximately around this, close to his eyes. We draw a line here, up to here. Now, the ears. Don't forget he's got a sharpie ear. Another one. And this dot connects here. Now moving to the lower body part. Oh, and don't forget these two hairs here. We'll draw his body like approximately here, this big. And his belt, half of this will be his belt. Draw one line here, from here to here. We will continue with the lower part of the body. His leg. For his leg, we will start drawing two squares here for his pocket. Approximately here. And another one here. His feet. For the cat feet, we will draw something like this. And continued with his paw. Just do with the other side. Put three lines here. And for the pocket, it will have two lines here. And the other one. It's great. We'll then continue with his arms. Right arms first, here. And don't forget, he's wearing a glove. So we will first draw the arm and then continue by his glove. Now moving to his fingers. And the other arm. approximately here. We start drawing. His glove. Thumb. Continued by his fingers. Now moving to his cape. Cape, we will draw this big. So we just draw a line here and here. Then we connect these two dots. Becomes his cape. And don't forget, the cape continues here. Congratulations! You just have a drawing of Mao Mao, heroes of pure heart. Stay tuned for the next post. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Goodbye!